So if you're looking for an AdWords management team, ClickSky is the one to go. Just to show you some experience that we've had with this team. Within less than 30 days, I'm talking in roughly like 18 days since we had Ed and ClickSky get on this AdWords campaign. We dropped the campaign spend in half, and we've received over 32 conversions so far. Previously, he was spending, twice the amount and just receiving only half as many conversions. This is crazy. Ed, you're amazing. I love your team very much. You guys do great work here.
I've worked with Ed with multiple clients, and each time we've done so, him and his team have gotten amazing results for the client. They're always super happy. Their phones are ringing off the hook, and most importantly, they're getting more sales.
Literally, out of all the service-based businesses that we work with and all the different vendors, hands down, they're the quickest to reply and the quickest to solve any issue that we have. More than that, they're handling literally hundreds and thousands of dollars of ad campaign all over different states, and they're doing a fantastic job.
Ed has been super helpful and a pivotal point in our business for helping with this pay-per-click piece of our business.
Ed and the rest of the team are completely reliable, they're incredibly professional, and they're really, really good at pay-per-clicking on AdWords.
We've had a phenomenal experience working with them.
We actually sent them too many leads, so they actually paused it, so their infrastructure couldn't handle it. That's how good Ed was. He actually inundated the business with too many leads.
I think more than anything, I'll just leave you with the simple fact that when they say they're going to do something, they follow through, and they follow through in an impressive way.
They're good. You can just tell by the way they structure the campaigns, the keywords. Take a look at the landing pages. Extremely professional, and at the end of the day, they drive leads for our clients, and that's what our clients want. And that's what we want.
I use their services, and one of my pressure washing clients is already having a record month after 3 weeks of only running a PPC campaign.
These guys are just fantastic. If you guys are on the fence, don't be. Just make the jump. Go with Ed and his team. You won't be sorry. Thanks again, Ed.